G'day guys, thanks for checking out a 2020 Nissan X Trail STL that's just arrived. This one here is a 1.0 local car down here and has been fully serviced and maintained. This one's got daytime running lights as well, unmarked Duco in that white pearl as well. Coming through on the side, it's got the unmarked tyres and rims with pretty much new tread on those tyres. Only travelled 8,000 k's. You've got the full 360-degree camera, mirror, heaters as well. Full leather trim with full electric passenger seat as well. As you can see, the leather follows through into the dash as well. This one does have the satellite navigation, 360-degree camera, like I said. And one of the great things on the X Trails is this door opens to 90 degrees to allow plenty of access through. Aircon vents in the back, and coming through the front, you've got left the full leather wrap steering wheel. Through the back, you've got rear parking sensors. And if I'm going to be extremely picky, there's one little chip on the rear bumper bar, but that is all privately owned. And you've got this multi-function boot system. There's many ways it works, but really easy and handy for school bags. Coming down through the side, it's in great condition. Full leather wrap steering wheel, low kilometers. You got your satellite navigation as well, and that 360-degree camera. Look forward to speaking soon.